Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look that I'm wearing here today. Can you guys believe it literally took me 10 minutes to achieve this look? I'm going to show you guys what my everyday easy makeup on the run. I'm a mommy and I don't have time to get ready. I'm on vacation and I don't want to wear too much makeup. This tutorial is literally for all of those things, and I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to achieve this look. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So please excuse my eyes. Usually when I get lash extensions, my eyes are a little irritated for a few hours, and I actually just got my lashes done, but I'm going to go ahead and do this video. It's going to be a quick 10-minute makeup video. This makeup is literally perfect for moms who don't have time to get ready but just want to put something on real quick to make sure that they look presentable. Vacations, if you guys are traveling, usually this is like my go-to face whenever I'm traveling or if I'm going somewhere tropical and I don't want to do too much to my face. I think this is why I love the lash extensions, and I would definitely recommend them if you are somebody who, you know, doesn't like to apply falsies every day. I do it just because it's my job and I want to make sure that I'm trying out different lashes and my makeup looks really dramatic. But for days like this that I've been feeling like not really getting ready but still wanting to look presentable, the lash extensions just cuts my time in half, and it's so convenient. Of course you can just go ahead and add a little bit of mascara to make your eyes pop, but I have really big natural eyes, so I feel like if I don't have big eyelashes I just look kind of weird, you know, with a whole full face of makeup and a little bit of mascara. I feel like I need those lashes to just kind of open up my eyes a little bit and makes me look a little bit more awake. So I love waking up in the morning and feeling pretty and feeling like I don't have to do too much and my face looks okay, you know? So definitely if you guys have not tried lash extensions, I would highly recommend them. I get them here in Stockton. I'll list who I get them with down below. For great makeup that makes your skin just look really healthy and really dewy and just refreshed, you kind of want to go for like the no makeup look. You want to start with your skin looking very refreshed. Every morning I like to exfoliate my skin with my Spin for Perfect Spin by Vanity Planet. You guys know that this is literally what I use to wash my face, exfoliate. If you guys have not picked one of those up, or even just a brush in general, Vanity Planet has a great one, and which is the one that I have here, and they just came out with a new one as well. I'll link them in the description box below because I also have a coupon code where you guys can save some money to get that if you guys are interested. But I exfoliate my skin. I'm not going to show you guys how I did that because I already did it this morning, but I exfoliate my skin, then I make sure that I moisturize. I like to moisturize with Cetaphil. You guys can moisturize with whatever you guys feel comfortable with. Make sure that your skin is just nice and dewy, and moisturize before you start your 10-minute makeup, and then make sure that your lips are also hydrated. You want to make sure that your skin just feels really good and healthy, because usually when you have a very dry, cracky skin, that's when you're going to struggle a little bit more, you know, to be quick and out because you want to perfect your skin. So of course, amazing makeup starts with great skin at first. I cannot address that as much. You know, try to practice and try to take care of your skin more and spend more money on products for your skin rather than the makeup itself, because you're just damaging your skin by applying a bunch of loads of products on your skin. So the first step is definitely having some good healthy skin. Then I'm gonna start and go straight into my brows. Start with my brows and work my way to my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil in Brow Wiz in medium brown, and I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. My brows are pretty full already, so I'm just kind of going in there and filling in those extra places where we have some emptiness on the brow. I'm trying to make my ears pop. As soon as I start doing my makeup and I start noticing that my brows are just not cooperating with me, that's when I'm like freaking out and I'm like, what the hell is going on with my face today? And we're literally going with a very natural brow. So I'm gonna conceal my brows. The top of my brows, I like to clean up with foundation. And I'm using the Born This Way foundation in Warm Beige. I just clean it up with my beauty blender. Do you guys see how bomb my brows are looking? So after my brows are complete, I'm gonna grab my Real Technique sponge and grab my foundation and just apply it all over my skin. I absolutely love this foundation, guys. Like, I have yet to find a foundation that I want to change to substitute this foundation that I'm wearing right now. I'll occasionally swap to like the Makeup Forever, the Maybelline Fit Me, but the one that I know that never lets me down and my skin just looks so hydrated, it's definitely Born This Way. Absolutely love it. They actually just came out with a bunch of new shades, a lot of in-between shades, so if you guys had trouble finding your shade below, you should definitely check out their website now because they've made quite the improvement on their shade selection. It's bothering me because I'm talking and I can hear myself talk. Like it's echoing inside my freaking ear. Okay, I'm concealing right under my eyes. And then we are going to bake with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now grabbing my MAC Studio Fix and my Morphe R0 brush, I'm going to powder the rest of my face. So I contour with powder, which I find it very easy to contour with. I'm gonna grab the Hoola bronzer and my Morphe E46 brush and contour my nose. I find it so much easier contouring with powder than with creams. I put a little too much. And then I'm going to clean it up with some Laura Mercier powder. Okay. And of course, we can't forget to contour our cheeks. I love contouring with my Luxie angled brush. And as well as our forehead. Eyeshadow, I'm gonna grab the Makeup Forever Professional palette, and it is the Artist Shadows. I'm gonna grab the shade 126, and I'm grabbing a flat brush. I'm just going to apply this right under my brow bone. And then grabbing a fluffy brush from Morphe and grabbing your preference of just like nudish, natural, orangey shade. I'm gonna grab this shade here in the corner, and just with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna dab some on there and just add it all over my lid. You want a fluffy brush just because you want to add it and still kind of blend it towards your brow bone. This is just to add a little bit of color to the lid. Like that. And then now I'm gonna grab my lipstick. I'm gonna grab my color Chi, my Chi lip liner, and outline my lips. So this lip liner is by ColourPop. It's only like $4, I think, or $5. Apply this on my lips, and then I'm gonna go in there, of course, with my favorite nude, and it's Palaces from Stila. I still don't know how to pronounce it. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm gonna apply this all over my lips. Look how pretty this freaking nude color looks. Next, I'm gonna go with my Morphe Y10 brush and dust off all of the powder. Under my eyes. Grab some mascara and just apply some right on your waterline. And then we highlight. That is the last step. Honestly, this is like the quickest makeup tutorial ever. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you are finito. Don't have to do much to look like you actually tried. And then I will just set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. We are all finished. How freaking pretty is this look, guys? Tell me it doesn't look like I actually tried really hard to do my makeup. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick video for you guys. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.
Yeah, he know